My badge, you want my ID?
Yeah, I want everything from everybody. Yeah.
Where do I need your ID, sir?
You can film me all you want. I really don't give a shit.
How am I Lord
Because
if I live on this property, bro?
Listen to me. I explained.
You don't know if I'm fixing my car,
right,
if I'm
and that's
waiting
why,
to leave
okay.
or not. So why is you walking up saying I'm loitering?
Because do you know the definition of loitering? Get on Google right now. Look up definition.
I don't need to. You probably want me to stop recording so you can.
No, you can keep recording. I would encourage you to keep recording.
And now you done called your what? Security? Your fake backup?
There ain't no security here. Everybody's police officers, as you're about to find out.
It don't matter. So as you're about to find out, you don't have no reason to come over here to stop
I do,
me.
because you're loitering on the property, sir, and I just asked you for identification, and because I don't know you, when I asked you where you live at, you can't give me an address where you live.
I'm not about to tell you where I live. I don't know who you are. You could be a fake police officer.
There ain't no...
So why would I tell you where I live?
Is anybody here a fake police officer?
Nope, not that I know of.
Bro, can I get
There's my badge, you want my ID?
Yeah, I want everything from everybody. Yeah.
Where do I need your ID, sir?
You can film me all you want. I really don't give a shit.
Man, that's not the point.
There it is, Sergeant Robert Patterson, Southport Police Department.
Him too. Why is you looking at my
you?
car?
Do you have ID on you?
Can I get his badge number?
Do you have ID on you?
Can I get his badge number?
You can go to jail for not IDing yourself.
No, I cannot.
Yes, you can.
For what? What am I doing?
Because you have to identify yourself to a law enforcement officer. That's the law. Okay?
What is the crime, though?
Okay, step on out.
No, well...
It's the hard way then. Step on out.
What is the crime?
Step on out.
What is the crime?
Sir, either you're going to step out or we're going to bring you out.
What is the crime, bro?
I just told you what it was.
What is the crime, is what I'm saying.
I just told you what it was.
What is that?
You're not IDing yourself.
That's a crime? A
yes,
crime involves an injured party. Come on, don't play with me.
Okay.
So y'all really about to fuck with me.
Step on out. Step on out.
Why are you touching me, bro?
Step on out.
Dude, step out of the car. Don't make
I suggest you,
bro.
Don't make it worse.
Bro, why are you touching me, bro? What the fuck is y'all doing, bro?
Stop tensing up.
What the fuck is you doing?
Stop tensing up.
Bro.
You got a cup?
Bro, back up, bro. Hey, bro. Man, back the fuck. Get off me, bro.
Stop tensing up.
Get off me, bro. Bro. Are you serious, bro? Are you serious, bro?